Welcome, dear students. Greatness of Maharaj's work. Maharaj established Swaraj while fighting against many enemies. This action itself proves that he was a pioneer of a new era. But besides his action, many other noble qualities are found in his personality. Maharaj was very intelligent. He had mastered many arts. He was conversant with many languages and scripts. The teachings of his parents towards the establishment of Swaraj and ethics were deeply instilled in his mind. There was a blend of character and strength, nobility and valor in his personality. He had innumerable qualities like leadership, management, foresight, political diplomacy, effective policy about regional and military administration, commitment to truth and justice, attitude of equality, visualization of future activities, the skill of seeing his planned ventures through, rising over the calamities without giving up, alertness, vigilance, and so on. He used to punish those severely who would misbehave with women. He used to take care of all sections of the society like farmers, craftsmen, soldiers, traders, merchants, etc. He used to harbor the same respect for people of other religions that he had for people of his own religion, without any discrimination. He even established family bonds with them. He brought back into Swadharma, their original religion, persons who had converted to another religion, though there was an opposition to such a reconversion at that time. At that time, there was opposition on religious grounds to crossing the seas. Yet he built sea forts like Sindhudurg and created a navy. This means that he had made preparation for countering foreign invasions that came from the sea. He became the ruler of Swaraj officially through his coronation. He later had a second coronation from a different religious perspective. All these actions show his revolutionary aspects in the field of religion. When there were threats to Swaraj, he would face them with or without his associates. Due to this, even his associates were ready to sacrifice their lives for Swaraj. Of course, his greatness was not confined to the quality of facing calamities bravely and fearlessly. He wanted to have an ethical, qualitative base to the Swaraj. That is why he would give orders even regarding minor issues along with the important ones. The order that prohibited soldiers from taking vegetables from the fields of the peasants to force is exemplary from this point of view. The restrictions on the cutting of trees enforced by him are also noteworthy. He had ordered that the garbage on the fort should be burnt in an allotted space without dumping it elsewhere, and vegetables should be grown on its ash. It becomes clear from this fact that he would pay close attention to the minutest details while establishing Swaraj. He was not just a warrior, but also a sculptor who created a new, independent, ethical, cultured society. His greatness is comprehensive. In our national movement, Maharaj was a great source of inspiration. In his struggle for equality, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule described in his Povadas the greatness of Shivaji Maharaj. Lokmanya Tilak brought about national awakening through the medium of Shiva Jayanti celebrations. Lala Lajpat Rai has written a book about the greatness of Maharaj. The great Tamil poet Subramaniam Bharati has written a poem about an imaginary incident in which Shivaji Maharaj talks to his associates. Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore has written a long poem on Maharaj. Tagore sees his efforts to found Swaraj as efforts for realizing a noble cause. Sir Jadunath Sarkar has praised his achievements in his book Shivaji and His Times. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has said that Maharaj did not belong to Maharashtra alone, he belonged to the whole Indian nation. He was a symbol of many virtues, most especially of love of country. All Indian languages have works that talk about him as an ideal ruler and a source of inspiration. Future generations too will continue to look upon this work of Shivaji Maharaj of founding the Swaraj and turning it into Swarajya as a source of inspiration, as an ideal. Shivaji Maharaj was a great national hero. Thank you.